Hi guys, welcome back. Subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon to turn on the notifications so that you won't miss any of my videos in the future. Today I'm very excited to share with you all a DIY body wash that will instantly remove your suntan and will brighten and polish your skin in just one wash. So let's jump straight into the ingredients. You will need virgin coconut oil, 100% pure honey, pure lavender essential oil, Pears shower gel. Now instead of Pears, you can also use any glycerin based shower gel. You cannot use Dove or any cream based shower gel. It's not going to work. You have to use a glycerin based shower gel itself. So now let's start the process. Now take a clean glass or a steel glass and add 50 ml of coconut oil, 50 ml of honey and 50 ml of glycerin based shower gel. And also 10 drops of lavender essential oil. Mix everything well, but make sure to do it very slowly. If you do it fast, then it will start lathering and we do not want that. Now actually what you can do is to take another container and fill it in with hot water and place the steel glass into the bowl and let it sit for a minute or two and not more than that. This will help the mixture to mix in very well. Coconut oil is naturally antibacterial, antifungal and moisturizing. Coconut oil hydrates skin for 24 hours and helps to improve skin elasticity and collagen production. It has antioxidants such as vitamin E and vitamin A, which help to slow down the aging process and will also help to reduce the damage from free radicals and the sun. You can transfer the body wash into a clean bottle and store this in room temperature up to 2 weeks. So now you can see how beautiful it looks. Not only that, it also smells amazing. I'm 100% sure that you're going to love this body wash. Now guys, it's very simple to use. Simply use it like you normally use a body wash. Just pour it into a loofah and lather it and use it all over your body. Or you can even pour it into a bathtub and take a bath. By the way guys, you can also use it on your face. You can use this as a face wash on a daily basis. Honey is a very good ingredient to get rid of suntan and dark marks from the skin. It is extremely moisturizing and soothing, so it helps to create a glow. Lavender oil helps reduce redness, blotchy patches and acne scarring or any scarring from the body. All these ingredients are really amazing to get rid of suntan and dark spots and will polish your skin and will make it smoother, brighter and radiant from the first use itself. So that's it for this video guys. If you enjoyed this video, then please give a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon to turn on the notifications so that you will get notified every time I upload a new video. Share this with your friends and family and you can also follow me on my Instagram and other social media. The links will be in the description box below. Thank you guys. Bye. Love you.